Welcome to my in-depth review of Multiview, the accounting platform built for businesses looking for a comprehensive financial management solution. In this video, I'll take you through the interface, features, and overall user experience of Multiview, providing insights from a real user perspective. We'll begin by exploring the homepage and dashboard. Upon logging in, you're greeted by a clean, intuitive dashboard displaying essential metrics and financial insights. Multiview is known for its robust reporting capabilities, and I'll show you how easy it is to navigate through pre-built reports or create custom ones tailored to specific needs. Next, I dive into the core modules. The general ledger system is particularly robust, supporting multi-entity accounting with ease. Whether you're managing a single business or multiple entities, Multiview's centralized structure ensures all your data is consolidated efficiently. Additionally, I'll demonstrate the accounts payable and receivable workflows, showcasing how these modules integrate seamlessly with the platform's other features. One standout feature is the platform's scalability. Multiview accommodates growing businesses by offering customizable options for reporting, workflows, and integrations. During the demonstration, I'll highlight how you can connect third-party tools and streamline processes like payroll and inventory management. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. These resources are curated to enhance your understanding of financial tools, so check them out after watching. Moving on, the budgeting and forecasting tools deserve special attention. With Multiview, users can create detailed budgets, perform variance analysis, and run predictive financial models. I'll also touch on the security protocols and compliance features, which ensure that your data stays protected and meets industry standards. For those wondering about pricing, Multiview operates on a custom quote system. I'll share my thoughts on this model and explain how it compares with other accounting platforms in the market. I'll also provide insight into customer support and the resources available for new users, including documentation and training webinars. Finally, I'll wrap up with my honest opinion about Multiview. Who is it best suited for? And does it deliver on its promises? Stick around until the end for my verdict, and feel free to share your experiences in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Your support helps me create more honest reviews and share valuable insights about tools that make a difference for businesses. Thank you for watching.